Good day, Sir Elevado. This is my presentation about types of pumps. First pump is variable delivery pump. A number of different designs of variable delivery pumps exist. Each has a mean of altering the pump stroke so that the amount of oil displaced will vary from zero to some designed maximum valve. This is achieved by the use of a floating ring, a swash plate, or a slipper pad. Next is radial cylinder pump. Radial cylinder pump, this pump provides for a constantly rotating unit, a no-flow condition, and infinitely variable delivery in either direction. The pump is also a positive displacement unit. Dito po makikita po natin yung mga parts po ng radial cylinder pump, yung piston, hollow shaft, suction area, reversing from pressure to suction area, and pressure area. Next pump is the wash plate type pump. This pump has a circular cylinder block with axial cylinders deposed on a pitch cylinder around a central bore, which is a machine with splines to suit the input shaft which revolves. Dito po sinasabi po na may mga spline po siya, so kapag pag umikot siya is magiging sabay or fix na fix po pag umikot dahil po magkakatugma or magkakadugtong yung kanyang mga spline. Next is rotary vane pump. Rotary vane pumps, fixed and simple adjustable displacement, have higher efficiencies than gear pumps, but are also used for mid pressures up to 180 bars in general. Ito po naka-fix po siya and ina-adjust na lang po siya depende po sa displacement or sa paggamit sa kanya. Need na lang po siya i-adjust. Ito rin po yung mga parts niya, exhaust outlet, exhaust valve, stator, rotor, the oil, crescent shape volume, vane, splash guard, and inlet. Next one is screw pump. Screw pumps fixed displacement are a double Archimedes spiral but closed. This means that two screws are used in one body. Next is axial piston pump. Axial piston pump swash plate principle. Axial pistons pumps using the swash plate principle, fixed and adjustable displacement, have a quality that is almost the same as the bent axis model. Next is the centrifugal pump. A centrifugal pump is a mechanical device designed to move a fluid by means of the transfer of rotational energy from one or more driven rotors called impellers. Ito naman po yung mga parts po ng yung impeller po. Ayan po yung parang paghigop or suction niya. And yun lang po, tapos na pong presentation ko. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig.